Welcome back to another video. Today we have the SUNGLIFE emergency solar radio. SUNGLIFE did send this to me. I will let you know if this works or not. I'm very truthful about my reviews. They are not paying me for this. All they did is send me this item to open it up and use it for you guys. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more Twisted deals. Alright, let's see here. We got SUNGLIFE emergency radio. It says AM, FM, NOAA emergency solar radio. You got dynamo, hand crank, power, generation, tuning, and charging LED. Excuse me if I'm not saying these correctly, because I'm not really used to this verbiage. LED flashlight and reading lights, personal locator, siren, visible beacon. This is solar power charging, 5 volts, external mini USB socket, for external charger, USB output socket for charging mobile phones, internal Li-ion battery pack, can be powered by AAA batteries. On the side you got says brighter flashlight, reading lamp, USB powered, AM FM radio, AAA battery powered. You got a 2000 mAh charger or battery, so you can use it as a charger. And then you got a crank powered, so you can crank it and charge it with your hand. SOS alarm. And then you got what is this, solar powered, so you got a little solar panel. Other than that, this is red. They do have other colors. This is the red one. Got some more styrofoam in there, I guess. Alright, we're done with the box. Some styrofoam there. We got some instructions. Set this over here. And then we have some sort of wires, LED, or not LED, micro USB charger. So this is a universal device. You can pretty much use any cell phone charger with this. Alright. This is the radio. This is the radio itself. You got SUNGLIFE. Right now it's not charging. When you uncover this, the solar panel is charging. So I guess it does work. It does charge us by the solar panel on the top. Let's see here. What do we have here? So overall, I gotta say this is plastic. Pretty much plastic. This is more plastic with some sort of rugged texture. So maybe for scratches and, you know, just for having it on the ground dropping or something like that. Feels pretty good. Alright, let's see here. What else can let's put this? Let's take this off. We do have a little solar panel on the top. If you guys see that, pretty nice. You guys got a little handle here, looks like. And you guys could hook this up to anywhere, to yourself. Then you got some sort of flashlight. Then you got another LED. Let's see here. And then you got an antenna. Got AM, FM, and then WB. I don't know what that stands for. It could be the weather radio or something like that. You got SOS. I don't know what SOS stands for, but you got SOS, and then you got middle, and then you have charging on the back. Maybe like a radio charging. And then you have AAA, and then you have Li-ion battery. So because you can switch it to AAA. And then it has a little cover here. It says in 5 volts USB. So let's see here. I guess you can charge it with this. And this is how you can charge a cell phone. Plug this in like this, and then just plug this into your cell phone. And then you got the hand crank here. You guys hear it? Pretty easy to hand crank. And this is plastic, by the way. Let's see here. We got the cover. Maybe that's for the batteries. Yep. So AAA battery compartment there. You got a solar panel. You got flashlight on and off button. So I gotta say, pretty decent, especially for an emergency situation. I gotta say it's pretty decent, pretty good. It'll definitely get you where you need to go in an emergency situation. So this device is about, just gonna put it to the button there. So it's about, I would say 6 3/4, and then wide, I would say about 2 3/4, and then wide, I would say about 1 3/4. So we got off and then on, I guess. Then we have tuning here. This is the wheel for the tuning.
Eyes were fair. Temperature was 54 degrees and the relative humidity was 24%. Winds were southwest at 28 miles an hour, gusting to 33 miles an hour. Pressure was 30.00 inches and steady. It was fair in Winslow and the temperature was 71 degrees. The relative humidity was 10%. Winds were south at 23 miles an hour, gusting to 31. Pressure was 29.94 inches and rising. It was fair at St. John's. Temperature was 68 degrees and the relative humidity was 9%. Winds were west at wind was west at 10 miles an hour. And the pressure was 29.84 inches and steady. Other observations for south central Arizona, including the greater Phoenix area and Buckeye. It was sunny with a temperature of 79. It was mostly sunny with a temperature of 79 at Glendale and 82 at Mesa Gateway. It was partly sunny with a temperature of 82 at Chandler and 81 at Gila Bend. It was fair with a temperature of 80 at Luke Air Force Base, 78 at Deer Valley, 80 at Scott.
Alright, we're not gonna put any music because we don't want to get a copyright. But you guys heard it. You guys heard it. It is. You can put it on the WB, which is the weather channel, I guess. If I can find it. There you go. I'll probably just leave it there at the weather channel or the weather station. Alright, let's charge my phone. See if I can use this as a charger to charge my phone. Let's plug in my phone, see if it'll charge. It's not charging. Maybe we need to turn this button on. No? Oh yeah, there we go. So in order for you to charge the phone, it says charging 56%. Just disperse that. It says charging 56%. as you guys see there on the phone. When you turn this off, when you put it on the middle button, it doesn't charge. You have to put it on the top. You guys would see there. See, you got a 56% charging. This is not a fast charger, but it'll get you pretty much. It'll work. It'll charge your phone as an emergency situation there. Obviously you got AAA battery powered on the top, or you got the Lion battery on the bottom. SOS, I have no idea what this is. Oh, there we go. It's a siren basically. So kind of a little too much volume there on the siren, but you know, that's for safety purposes if you want to get noticed. Good little device here. It's basically meant for emergencies. If you got a power outage or something like that and you need to charge your phone, obviously with this you can charge it. You can charge this battery with the hand crank, or leave it on direct sunlight. Leave it on direct sunlight, and then you can charge your phone via USB on this, or you can charge this. A bug out bag, you know, a little emergency bag situation there. You can just throw this in there, and it's not very big. I mean, it's as big as my hand, as you guys see. Yeah, well, this was my quick review on this radio. Definitely recommend it for any survivor out there. Survival bag. Keep it, you know, as a safety in case you have to run out of the house or something like that, or you're stuck in the middle of nowhere. You can basically help yourself out with this, especially charge those devices, and charge this device with the sun, with this solar panel. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more Turbos to deals, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.